if you're looking to make $25 in a minute online just by typing, then you got to stay to the end of this video. I'll even show you a bonus website I found where you can make even more than that. Now, if it's your first time to the channel, my name's the infamous Joel, and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's go. Okay, so let's get into this very, very impressive, amazing technique that, listen, what I'm about to show you is probably going to like change your life. If you're looking to get out of that 9-to-5 grind, first of all, you have come to the right place. This is the right channel, the infamous Joel. That's what we're all about here. We hate your boss. I hate your boss. You hate your boss, and we need to get you out of there. So we're going to replace your job with a system that doesn't have a cap on it. You can really make as much money as you want. I know the video is called $25 a minute, but you can really make as much money as you want. It's all based off your own skills, and I'm going to show you how to get those skills. Even if you have no skills right now, I'm going to show you how to get those skills completely and absolutely for free, no matter what part of the world you're from, no matter where you are, who you are, how old you are, how young you are. None of that matters. Okay, so just follow along here, and remember to comment down in the comment section down below. Comment money to get the chance to win free access to my course, Your First 1K Online Blueprint, where I'm going to walk you through how to make your first $1,000 online. Now, what are we going to do? We're going to go over here to typingtest.com. Okay, now just follow along here. We're going to take you through this step by step, how you can earn money online, $25 a minute or more even, depending on how you set this up. Now, set this up properly. Follow along here. I'm even going to walk you through it by doing it myself. Now, basically what this is exactly as the name implies, it's a typing test, because you're going to basically make money just typing, whether it be on your phone, your laptop, your computer, doesn't matter. Okay, now you're going to come here because the first thing you're going to do is you're going to see really how well you type. And I know this sounds a little bit scary. I'm not the world's best typer. You're about to see it. Okay, I'm about to do it myself just to show you. I'm not the world's greatest typer. I don't have like the best skills. I'm one of those like one finger typer. I just use like my one finger. I don't have like this lady here that she looks all professional. I don't look like that. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna leave it on 1 minute test. Okay, leave it there. Do not change this. And we're gonna change medium text. For me, I'm gonna put easy text. I mean, if you're a great typer, go ahead and put hard. Or medium or whatever. I'm gonna put easy because I'm terrible. So I'm gonna go ahead and embarrass myself just to show you guys how this process works. Now, you're gonna see this little timer here in the top left corner. There's your 1 minute. You're gonna see mode where it's either normal or pro. Just leave it on normal. Well, I'm gonna leave it on normal because I'm not very good. But if you're really good at this stuff, go ahead and put pro. You know, and just blow this thing out the water. But I'm not good, so I'm going to leave it on normal. I'm going to try it and just, you know, do it the easy way. Now, you see these sentences that it has. All you really have to do is try to type the sentences. Just follow along, type the sentences as best you can, as fast as you can, without making so many mistakes. I'm probably going to make a ton, so go ahead and make fun of me down in the comment section, whatever. And if it's super funny, it makes you laugh, go ahead and punch that like button. And, you know, I don't take offense to that. So, so just follow along here while I embarrass myself and try to type this as fast as I can and see what kind of scores I get here. So let's go. Oh, well, I screwed that up. Whew, okay, so after I kind of like sweated that out a bit, I was literally trying my best. So if some of you kind of, wanted to make fun of me there, go ahead, whatever. That's as fast as I typed. So as you can see from your test results, or at least my test results, that's definitely not right. Accuracy. I mean, I guess it's saying accuracy as far as I messed up, but I went back and fixed it. Okay, fine. It has your typing speed as far as words per minute. I have 41 words per minute. I'm not sure what this is popping up here, whatever. So I have 41 words per minute, my typing speed. I guess that they consider that a little bit above average. So I got to pat myself on the back. The average typist averages 36 words per minute. So I'm a little bit better than the average typist. I feel pretty good about that. I don't care what you guys say. I'm not quite fluent. I'm above average. That's great. Fine, whatever. So you have your test result, and really what you did that for, what you're doing that for, is to kind of give yourself a benchmark. So you want to know, it doesn't matter if you're super slow, average, fluent, fast. I mean, it does matter if you're fluent and fast. I mean, that's great. But we just want to know. So right now I know I'm a tiny bit above average, which is okay. Because this is going to measure, in the long run, what I'm about to show you. It's going to measure exactly, probably, how much you can potentially earn. It's going to make sense when it all comes together, okay? So, the next thing you want to do is you want to come down here to typing course, okay? Now, millions of people every single year spend hundreds of thousands, tens of thousands each on going to universities, colleges, and like trying to learn all these skills to get these, paying jobs and stuff. And half the time they don't even get that job. And you already know the story. I hate school. You probably hate school. You don't want to go to school. All the resources you ever need are already online. If you want to hire a paying job, you want to whatever, it's already there. So for those of you who took that test, man, I suck at typing, or maybe you heard me in the beginning and said, and maybe clicked off the video, or said, I can't type fast, I'm not good at typing, I'm going to get out of here and not earn money typing. Listen, this is a free resource. They're going to show you how to type faster. They're going to work on doubling your typing speed, as this little cartoon lady said. They're going to show you some techniques. They're going to train you for free. I want to repeat that, for free. You don't need a penny for any of this. You don't need to sign up. You don't need to put in your email address, any of that stuff. So as you can see, it takes you through some initial testing, some, hey, letters I and E and all the, like, where to put your fingers, how to have like these snap fast reflexes and like be the world's greatest, fastest typer ever. Speed building, number row, symbols, it has everything, okay? It takes you step by step from being, say myself, if I wanted to go through here, a slightly above average typer to, by the end of this, if I practice and get really good at it, I might be really fluent or even fast. And taking this final test and all these test scores is really, really important for what I'm going to show you later on, okay? So just go through this course if you're not very good at typing like I am, and, practice your skills, get better at it. They're going to show you how to get better, how to get faster, how to place your fingers to, increase your speed and your accuracy and everything. You're going to be a beast, okay? Your family's going to be like, how the hell did you learn typing so quick? Okay, so just make sure you do this if you're not very good. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take those final test scores. We're going to take that new skill. You could even come back here and do the typing test again after you get really good at this, see how much you've improved. And once you're pretty good at typing, we're going to go over here to rev.com. That's rev.com. Okay, I'm going to show you what this is as soon as it loads, if it decides to load. Okay, so I'm going to show you what this is. This is a website where they basically, people, companies, businesses, regular Joe Schmoes, they come here and they pay for transcription services. They want to have a video transcribe, audio transcribe. They want to have captions done. They want to have foreign subtitles, like those, like martial arts movies where they say Japanese stuff, and then you try to transcribe it, and what they see the little caption on the bottom. Okay, so here it is, right? You can do this stuff, and as you can see, forget getting paid by the hour. You get paid by the minute, and actually, the faster you do it with more accuracy, this is why your test scores, this is why everything you've done so far is so important. because you will actually be paid more the faster and more accurate you can do this stuff. Okay, so you have a potential to make up to like $25, $30 a minute. Forget an hour. Like, you can go all the way up to, holy crap, you're the fastest typer ever. You know, and you can type multiple videos. Let's say you do the transcription service and someone wants you to type out an audio or a video or something, right? They want you to transcribe it. Let's say it's like a 5-minute audio or video or whatever. Okay, so let's take this, all right? 1.25 times 5, so it's 5 minutes. You've made $6.25 in 5 minutes. Okay, like that's just below minimum wage if you live in the US, just below it. So for those people who are like, man, I only make minimum wage, like 7 something per hour. Well, you can make that in a minute, you know, in 5 minutes online, even if you're just slightly above average at typing and you're not very good like me. I could probably do this on here. They'll take you if you're average or above average, but you'll earn more if you are actually pretty good at typing. Okay, so it's all about your skill set, and your income is not capped. You don't have a boss somewhere telling you, hey, you know, in order to do this job that I want you to do, I'm going to pay you, you know, $10 an hour. You don't have that breathing down your neck. Instead, you're paid in direct accordance to how well you perform, how well you do this, performance based, which is much better. I know a lot of people are scared of that. Like, oh, I want like a baseline and this and that. Well, you do have a baseline. If you're just okay, you'll make like $1.25 per minute. You know, but if you're really, really great at this, you'll make like $10, $15, $20 per minute. You know, so this is what you want to do. You want to sign up here. I believe it's down at the bottom. Let's go check. At the bottom of the site, you'll see, yeah, right here where it says careers. You're going to click there. And you're going to see if they have openings. I think. And the company careers. Why work here? I might have clicked on the wrong thing. Let me go see. Oh, sorry. Yep, I clicked on the wrong thing. I make mistakes too. I'm not perfect. I know it seems like I am. Why is it not loading? Come on, load. All right. So we're going to go back here. We're going to go to freelancers. That's what we want. Not careers. Scratch that. Go back. Rewind. We're not going to go to careers. We're going to go to freelancers because you're a freelancer. Okay. So you're going to get paid per job, everything you do. And the better you do, the more you get paid. And the more jobs they give you. So that's why it's important to be here and working on your typing test. You can actually submit this to rev.com as part of your application. It's like, look, I took a typing test, you know, and I did pretty decent. I got above average, fluent, you know, whatever you end up getting. And if you're not very good, keep practicing. Take their courses, you know, let them show you how to get faster. So you can come here. You go ahead and you apply to a position. You can pick transcriptionist, captioner, whatever you want to pick. And, you know, follow the steps there. Now, I believe the other site that's kind of similar to this is transcribeme.com. So let's go over, yes, let's go over to transcribeme.com. So potentially you can have a freelance position at 2 different websites or more. I think there's more of them out there. So you can get multiple jobs heading your way every single day. And man, like the faster you type, the more you can just crush this stuff. And hey, you can decide on your schedule and your income, etc. If you only want to make like, I don't know, $100 a day and you only want to work for maybe an hour, you can do that. Just get faster at typing, better at typing. Take a few jobs here, you know, the faster you get, the better. Take a few, you know, 5, 6 little videos you want to transcribe and stuff. Finish them, bang, bang, bang. Bang them out real quick within an hour or so, and you make like $100. Well, there you go. That's your entire workday. You're done. You can just relax, go to the beach, whatever. So why go to a 9 to 5? Why work 8 hours for a boss breathing down your neck when you can just decide how much you make every single day? It's all up to you. So here, instead of at the bottom, because I scrolled at the bottom as I was jabbering on, you want to go to jobs at the top. Okay. And same thing here. You get paid for working from home. You know, wonderful stuff here. Get started. And same thing, you can, you know, fill this out. submit your test scores, your typing stuff, and just to prove like, hey, I'm really good at this. And again, I want to repeat, if you're not really good at this, then take the course. I can't stand people who close themselves off to opportunity to say, well, I'm not good at that. Then get good. The difference between someone who is wealthy and successful and better off than the rest of society is because they don't cut themselves off from opportunity. They don't say, well, I can't do that, or that's too hard, or whatever. No. You have a brain, you have two arms, you have two legs. You are capable of doing anything anyone else can do. There's opportunity everywhere. You just have to apply yourself. Okay? So the resources are right here. Do you really want to pay like $100,000 to go to school and possibly not even get a job? Or do you just want to, come in here, take some free training, get good at this one very valuable skill, and they'll pay you. They'll pay you really, really well. Okay? Way beyond minimum wage and all that stuff. So don't close yourself off. That's the last lesson for the day in this little video. Go ahead and Google, transcription services. If you want more than this, you can potentially be a freelancer for multiple websites. You don't have to only sign up for them or only sign up for rev.com. You can do multiple at the same time. That way you have a big, giant list of stream of jobs going on, okay? So, that being said, remember to subscribe to the channel to get more info like this. Make money online, quit your 9-to-5, fire your boss, punch him in the face, that kind of stuff. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.